How to know if someone blocked you on Messenger. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to know if someone blocked you on Messenger. So first is you have to make sure that your Messenger application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store here and then type in the Messenger. Now if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now as you can see here, I do not have an update button, that which means that my messenger is actually updated. Now if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So let's go back to the home page and go to Messenger. So I've already blocked my this account, and let's see what what are the difference to know if someone blocked you on Messenger. So here, as you can see here, I am trying to create a or to chat her. Let's say hello there. Now here on the right side, you will see a check mark. That means that your message has been delivered but not opened, or not, or the person is actually offline. Now it really gets tricky on this because there are people that deactivates their account. Now if they deactivate their account, including the messenger, it will also look like this. So what you want to do is to go to their Facebook page and scroll through their timeline if they have recently posted or are they online. And if they're online and your message is sent with no shade, only check mark, so that means probably you are blocked on Messenger. And basically that is how to know if someone blocked you on Messenger. And that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment or leave any questions you have in the comments section below. And have a great day.